Hi, I'm Elena McCann. We are here to present current and economical factors affecting the financial service industries for the week ending May 22nd. Later, I will be discussing in more detail all ordinaries index and how they affect the Australian market.
Hi, I'm Hashita. I'm going to talking about the exchange rate of the Australian dollar against the currencies of US, Chinese yuan renminbi, Brazilian real, and euro.
I'm Amelia, and I will be discussing the cheapest variable home loan and credit card cash advance rates.
I'm Remy. I'm here to talk about the gross domestic product of Australia. Later, I will talk about its definition and its change.
Hi, this is Elena McCann again, and as I said earlier, I am now back talking about the All Ordinaries Index for the week of May 18th to the 22nd. That's one of the factors that affect the financial services industries that we looked at for the week. And what I have here is a graph showing the progression of the All Ords for the week. It looks like it's had a dip in the middle, but it really, for the whole week, it was pretty steady. It started out at 57.31 with 20 cents, and then ended the week a little bit lower with 1.1% lower. As I had mentioned, the budget was introduced last week, and any business decision should be really done with that in mind. There is additional information coming out, and so any future decisions for long-term investment should also be done with that in mind. Thank you.
As I said earlier, I'm going to talk about the Australian dollar against other currencies that the week ended 22nd of May. I got some currencies like Chinese yuan renminbi, US dollars, euro, and Brazilian real, and I made some graphs to explain my points. Those exchange rates depend on the bid price. The bid price is the highest price that a buyer is willing to pay for a good. That's bidder. It is usually referred to as the bid. Then the currency has been under pressure since last Tuesday, when official capital expenditure figures showed that non-mining companies are planning to reduce their spending over the next financial year. And the Australian dollar slightly lower against strengthening of US dollars, which is mentioned from the red one. And it's some European markets lower. In Chinese yuan renminbi, the Australian dollar is lower, down by weak Chinese economic data on Monday showed that Chinese exports took a surprisingly sharp tumble in the year to March, falling 14.6%, and while imports fell 12.3%. That's the end of my presentation. Thanks.
Hi, I am Amelia, and I'll be talking to you about the variable home loan rates and the credit card cash advance rates. On the 5th of May, the Reserve Bank of Australia has cut official interest rates to a record low of 2%, the lowest level since the early 1960s. ANZ Bank was the first major bank to pass on the rate cut, lowering its variable mortgage rate to 5.38%. The Commonwealth Bank lowered their rate to 5.45% effective Wednesday the 13th of May. Majority of economists say they don't expect any more cuts from the banks for the rest of the year. These are the credit card cash advance rates for the 3 largest banks in Australia. As you can see, this is the Commonwealth Bank's cash advance fee. It's $2.50 or 2% per annum of the transaction amount. Westpac Bank's variable cash advance rate is currently 21.49% per annum, and ANZ ANZ Bank's credit card cash advance rate ranges from 20.99% to 21.74% per annum. Some experts say make the most of the low home loan rates because they won't be around forever. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Min. Now I'm going to talk about the gross domestic product of Australia. Now the definition. For the definition, as we all know, the gross domestic product, that means GDP is one the primary indicator used to gauge the health of a country's economy. It represents the total dollar value of all goods and services products produced over a specific time period. You can think of it as the size of a country's economy. In short, it's everything produced by people and business, including salary and workers. Usually, the GDP is expressed as a comparison to the prior quarter year. Now, I have a chart for the Australian GDP. For the GDP, for that Australia GDP keeps steady. It shows Australia gross domestic product has been growing steadily and all in all, and its economic key factor shows a well-set country. Australia is among the countries with the largest GDP worldwide, and thus one of the largest economic. So from all in all, overall growth is strong, but the minimal growth remain weakly. Thank you.